So hello, welcome back. So I want to create a login form, simple login form, and I want to assume that you have looked at my previous tutorial on registration form because I already showed you how to create a database in that tutorial, so I might not repeat how to create a database. I'll use the database that I already created previously. So just here we just create a form. Very fast, I might move faster. So form, then here we can have the label. Then we have username, and then here we have input type. Input type is equals to text, name is equals to username, like that. Then placeholder, so you can create it or not because we have the label, there is no need. So just that input type text, then we have I just copy for the password. So the password, so input type is password, then can give it a name, in the name the pass, like can give it pass. So here we have can wrap this. So here I have submit, then the value is send, value is equals to send. So submit, and then the name is equals to, and just call it send also. So then here we break. So then we check if the form is if it's fine. So we have login.php. So that's the form that I've created. So I login. So they have login handler. So I'll be using these two. Login.php, here it is finally. So we'll now go to the page handler. So we go to the page, but before then we have to say action is equals to, so action is login. So the login handler. Also you can browse login handler, because you see it's saying browse, you go to the exact for PHP page .php. Then method is post, it's the post. So that's it. Then you go to the handler. So we open PHP like that. Then we have the how just did it, host is equals to localhost. We have a username is equals to, my username is root, so my yours might be different. We have the password, mine doesn't have a password, yours might have, so make sure if it has, you have to take it into consideration. Then db, we'll use the db that we created within, which is do register. So I hope it's the one. Then we connect, so create the connection is equals to my SQLi connect, connect. MySQL connect, you connect. So you have the hosts, which is this one, host. Then you have username, which is, then we have the password, then we have the DB, pass the DB like that. Then the next thing you have the you check if the button has been or the button has submitted. So if is set post, then you set to post. So the button name is sent. So we put the button name as send, then we close like that, then we close there. So here we have the username is equals to import username like that. Then we have the password, so it was also password. So we make sure these are the same. We have username. Now this one is pass, so make sure you check the name, send pass. So we maintain that pass. So then we have the query. Query is equals to select, can say all, choose from user. Select all from the table is user. Select all from user where username name is equals to, so username is equals to username. So this variable here, username and password is equals to password. So let's say select all from user where username is equals to this username and password is equals to password. Then you can say so after you can suggest a MySQL query. So we pass the connection con. So after you pass the connection, you pass the query. So you can give this a variable do query. You can just give it a name is equals to do query is equals to. So from here you can just say rows. So you can check the rows that has if any row has been affected. So you can say MySQL number of rows. Num, we should normally say num rows. So you pass the MySQL result, which is this. You pass it here. So then now you check if and rows is greater than 0. It's greater than 0.